Chapter 12. Life in Water. Many varieties of plants and animals live in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. There are more plants and animals in water than on land. Aqua means water. Therefore, plants that live in water are called aquatic plants, and animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are mainly of three types: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. Floating plants. Floating plants have roots that are not attached to the bottom of water body. They have spongy stems or air-filled parts that help them float freely on water surface. Such plants are found in ponds and lakes where water remains stagnant. These plants protect small water animals from the hot sun. Duckweed, water lettuce, and water hyacinth are some examples of floating plants. Fixed plants. Fixed plants have their roots attached to the bottom of the water body. These plants have long, hollow stems and broad leaves. The hollow and light stems keep the leaves and flowers afloat. The leaves and stems of such plants are coated with wax to make them waterproof. Lotus and water lily are examples of fixed plants. Underwater plants. Some plants remain under the water all through their life. They are called underwater plants. These plants have long, thin and narrow leaves to offer little resistance to flowing water. They have no stomata on their leaves. The exchange of gases takes place through the general surface of the leaves. They have long and flexible stems and their roots are fixed to the bottom. Hydrilla, Vallisneria and tape grass are some examples of underwater plants. Besides these aquatic plants, some plants grow near water bodies. Mangrove and papyrus are examples of such plants. Mangrove grows in marshy areas where soil is sticky and does not have enough air. These plants therefore have breathing roots called pneumatophores. These roots grow out of the soil to get air directly from the atmosphere. Papyrus is a tall grass-like plant that grows near rivers. Its stems were used by the ancient Egyptians to make paper. In fact, the word paper comes from papyrus. Aquatic animals. A large variety of animals live in water. They include fish, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Small animals such as insects, crabs, lobsters, and prawns also live in water. Some aquatic animals live in shallow water, while others live in deep water. All the aquatic animals have some special features that help them survive in water. Let's learn about some aquatic animals. Animals in shallow water. Animals such as crabs, lobsters, and eels usually live in shallow water. Crabs and lobsters fall into the family of crustaceans. They have their own shell, 10 legs, and 2 antennae on their heads. Eels are long, slimy fish that look like snakes. They hunt fish, squid, and cuttlefish for food. Seal and walrus spend most part of their life on the shore. They have shiny skin and strong flippers that help them swim in water. When seals come to the shore to breed, they live for weeks in vast colonies called rookeries. Amphibians such as frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders live both on land and in water. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. In water, they breathe through their moist skin. Crocodiles usually live in the shallow water. They normally hunt for food in water. They often come to the shore and bask in the sun. Birds such as kingfisher, ducks, swans, flamingos, pelicans, and gulls live near water. They catch fish, insects, frogs, and worms for food. Animals in the ocean. Oceans are the largest animal habitat. Many kinds of fishes, mammals, reptiles and insects live in the oceans. Whales, dolphins and sea lions are the mammals that live in the oceans. Salmon, sharks and rays are some examples of marine fish living in oceans. Aquatic animals that have spinal cords or backbones are known as vertebrates, and those that do not have a backbone are known as invertebrates. Some common aquatic vertebrates are fish, whales, dolphins, turtles, seahorses, seals, walruses, and lampreys. Some common invertebrates are jellyfish, sandworms, clams, cuttlefish, and crayfish.